My name is Terrence Stringfellow. I'm a senior sports administration major from Memphis, Tennessee. I'm here at Belhaven. I came in as a basketball player. I played all 4 years since I've been here. Sophomore year is when I got into the leadership role. I was a peer leader, got on BLC, student ministries coordinator. So I've been doing that for the past 2 years. Just helping out around campus was the main thing, so I'm always involved with something. My first day at Belhaven, just walking around campus, I was just like, is this the place for me? Is this where I'm truly supposed to be? It took me a couple weeks, but after those weeks, I realized this is the place where I needed to be. I've always, all throughout high school, was like, I want to go to a big school, play in an arena full of 18,000 people and play. But it took me a while after the first couple games just to realize that just playing here at Belhaven, the gym's not as big as some of the bigger schools, but I'm not playing for anybody in the crowd. I'm playing for the audience of one, which is God. When I got a scholarship to come to Belhaven, a huge burden just lifted off my shoulders. It was months and months of a process of me talking to my dad and my parents, just where am I going to school? Where am I going? And a bunch of schools were recruiting me, but none of them were really offering. So the day when Belhaven called me and said they're offering me, it was just a great day, great day. My 4 years here at Belhaven have been great. When I came in, I wasn't saved. I thought I was, but I wasn't. I grew up in a Christian home, went to church every Sunday, Bible study Wednesday nights, did all that. But it wasn't until my sophomore year here at Belhaven, in chapel, I was listening to the speaker and I was like, wow. And my sophomore year, I gave my life to Christ, made the decision for myself. After that day, I just realized that it wasn't my parents making the decision for me anymore. I made the decision for myself. The teachers here at Belhaven, the coaches and everything like that, just talking to them and just helped me with my decision. Ever since that day, I would never forget it. My life has changed, giving my life to Christ. And if it wasn't for Belhaven and me being here, I don't think I would have made that decision. Some of the other schools that I was looking to go to, I don't think I would be the person I am today. If I was to sit down right now in front of the person that gave me the financial aid to come to Belhaven, it would probably take me a while to say something. I'd probably just hug them. It would take me a while to say something, but ultimately I would just say thank you. I don't know. Wow. I wish that could happen.